Okay, so like we both know that I haven't done a phone case video in forever. So today is the day. Today is one of those phone case days. You already know we love those. I love them. You love them. Me and phone cases just go together like, I don't know. But anyways, today we have some Shein phone case, some $1, $2, $3, $4 phone cases. You already know that when it comes to Shein, we will find some deals. Are they the most protective phone cases? Absolutely not. Yes, they're cute. Yes, they're cute. So that is why I purchased some phone cases from Shein. Okay. All right. So to start off with, yes, I've already used one up. Okay, the rest of them I have not opened. They have been sitting there lonely, sad, waiting for the right time, and today is the time. So the only one that has been used and been shown off is this one, this clear pink wavy phone case that I absolutely just love because I like how it feels. Now let's go ahead and just place this beautiful, magnificent, beautiful, amazing phone case on my phone. This is what this looks like. Honestly, the waves to it, yes, love it. I also really love this little design that they included around the camera lens. I don't know, to me it looks like a little flower. And let's test how it will look like if you're on the phone. This side. Just look at how pretty that looks. Yes, hello. What do you want? Beautiful. I love it. I don't know why I'm getting excited over this, if this is clearly a phone case that I've already seen and used many times, but I pretty much just love the waviness and all that. Cute, 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 cute. Let's move on, why won't we? Up next we have, this one's kind of boring, so we're gonna leave that for later. This one right here does remind me like of the Apple phone cases, but let's see, because the Apple phone cases are like what, $40? Like, no thank you. Like, if I could get this one and it looks like it, feels like it, then why won't I get this one? Because I've heard that the Apple ones are expensive for no reason. This is what this one looks like. If you couldn't tell, this is one of those like matte phone cases. Just gotta remove this one, toss it, and now we're just gonna place. Ooh, yes. Yes, honestly, who is she? Because this phone case, what? Ooh. Here's a little test on what it will look like if you were on the phone, and this is the view that people would be getting. And 10 out of 10, because I could just see this as an everyday phone case. Doesn't matter what you're wearing, this phone case is gonna look absolutely amazing. Comment down below what you would rate this phone case. Okay, well anyways, let's get it together and move on. I'm not gonna lie, my selections were a little bit on the boring side this time. I don't know what it was. Okay, I promise you that there's one more pink one. Oh my goodness, this was a very like pink, like you know, like it was very centered on the color pink. This one, okay, it looks a little plain. Don't get scared, it has a little twist to it. It is clear. I promised myself and my phone that I would show off the color of the phone a little more this time. I feel like with the Sierra blue one, I did not show off the color as much as I should have. So here we are with this cute, just look at the little ears. I waited 2 months to do this video, and I know it's nobody to blame for it other than me. You are the reason you never did this video. You. Okay. Does it fit? Ooh, how cute. Do we like what the phone case looks like on the phone? These are not the most protective phone cases, but you know what? They're cute. they're cute, and if they're cute, we're gonna try them out. I don't even know, they're just ears, okay? These cute little ears on the phone case. So now we have that, and then we also have a little wavy on the side, which is very similar to the first pink one that we showed. This phone case is basically the pink one without the ears. Like, the pink one just doesn't have the ears, but everything else exactly the same. So what do we think? Okay, mirror selfie test. Would we like how this will look if it was a mirror selfie? Approved or not approved? The test, the ear test. The ear test. Do we like it or do we like it? Because I freaking like it. Yes! This is so cute. I'll keep you updated on if it gets dirty really fast or not. Probably will, because I mean, this was like $1 or something. I think everything will be linked down below in the description, just so you know. But yes, cute. Cute, cute, cute. I don't care what you say. This is about what I like, okay? And I like this phone case a lot. Absolutely. Absolutely, yes. Get this phone case. Get it. Just get it. It's beautiful. You won't regret it. Just get it. 1, 2, 3. Which one's your favorite? 1, 2, 3. Let's just go with... I told you I was going to have a lot of clear phone cases, but they're all different. You know? Ta-da! It looks like it was already opened. Was that me? Probably. Take it out of the packaging. Yes. It is a clear squared phone case. Look at how shiny and glossy and shining and glossy. I just needed a squared phone case. And don't come for me. I am well aware that this is a rectangle. I know that. But on the website, it does describe it as a squared phone case. Yeah. You're probably thinking, okay, what's so fun about a square phone case? There is nothing really. There's nothing. That's a red flag. I don't like that. That is a big no-no to me. This is my biggest ick when it comes to phone cases. But maybe it's just the placement of the screensaver. But honestly, when these phone cases give me this problem, ugh, I can't even stand them. Because the other cases weren't doing that to me. So it has to be the phone case. Do we like it? Do you approve? Okay, moving on to the ear test. Anyway, if you did not notice, I do have Kurt Cobain on my screensaver. I mean, just look at this. Take the whole screen already, why won't you? Look. Not today. My screensaver. I need my screensaver. Not my screensaver, my screen protector. Here is the 5th phone case. Honestly, this should have been my Valentine's Day phone case. Okay, voila. Voila. Honestly, this isn't even satisfying to take out anymore. It's like, oh, okay. Okay, that was a little bit more satisfying than the first time. But look at this one. Me personally, this is my least favorite because I don't like how it feels. Okay, this one feels different than the other wavy ones, and I like the other wavy ones more. But let's see what this looks like. Alrighty then. Woo! That sounded really bad. Okay, so here's the thing with this one, okay? Waviness to it, yes, groovy. I like it. This is what it looks like from my point of view. Like this. The waves are more intense here. Mirror selfie. Approved. That looks cute. Ear test. Oh. This looks cute. What would you rate this phone case? Comment down below. I'm not doing anything. Oh, okay. Okay, this... I promise you, I'm not doing anything. I'm getting scared. It went from being a 5 to being a 2 because I don't like that. I'm not going to be able to use this phone case. Okay, so that has been 5 phone cases. And the last one, don't get mad at me, okay? It's a little boring. It's a little, ooh. It is this plain white matte feeling, I forgot, the silicone material, like the first pink one, or like, I forgot. And then I got the white one. because since I do have the silver iPhone, I thought it would be a wonderful idea to get this color. And hopefully it doesn't get dirty that fast, even though this was, again, like $3 I think, or $2. Okay, you know what? This is looking super clean, super fresh. I like it. Let's see what it looks like on my silver phone. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Look at how beautiful this looks right here. Yes. Yes. Because it does have a little raise to the camera, and I feel like that is a really good sign, and that already gives it like a high rating, I feel. It may just be me though. I feel like this isn't so bad for $3. Not bad at all. And they have so much variety, so many different colors. 100 out of 10. I absolutely love it, and I don't know, it just looks so fancy. And like I said, I really hope that this just works out and it doesn't get dirty too fast. I hope that it gives me at least like 1 month without it getting dirty. And if this phone case doesn't give that to me, it's fine, because guess what? We only paid $2. So that's pretty much it, but don't go yet because I have my shout outs of the day. But before, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel down below. And also don't forget to follow me on the rest of my social medias and turn on that bell notification down below so that you get notified every single time that I post. But let's go. Let's give my shout out. So my shout out does go to Luz and to Aisha. Thank you so much for commenting on my last video. I appreciate your comment so much. It truly does mean so much to me. And let me know down below which one of these phone cases was your personal favorite. That way I'm able to see. I'm curious. I want to know what you liked. Let me know what phone case you liked. Let me know what phone case you preferred. And yeah, with that being said, I hope all of you are having an amazing day. And well, yeah, that's pretty much it. Once again, don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel down below for more videos. And well, that's it. Love you all.